Hey guys, just gonna unbox this Slimline Proly cordless trimmer. You have charging adapter and stand for attachment combs, blade oil and brush, and a trimmer. After few months, look different with my beard. And it's recommended by Vince the Barber, celebrity barber. NBA, hip hop, rappers, movie star, and of course, including me. So I'm gonna start now. So let's see. This is my first time. I've never done this before. So let's do it. How's it look? Look like a hitter? So I'm trying to be clean. And it's summer. Ouch. I think I cut myself. Oops. No. I was scared. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do my sidebird too, but I'm gonna use, but it says here there's a 1/8, 3/8 inch, 1/16, and then 1/4. It's the 1/4. Oops.